White screen. You can see.
Yes.
Now the next one is called estimation. Estimation is sometimes called approximation or rounding off. Rounding off.
Rounding off.
Rounding off, estimation or approximation to a given value, to a given tens or hundreds or thousands or whatever it is. Supposing there one difference between round up, round down, and this one. Round up, round down, and round off. Round up means you will always take the higher value. Round up. If it is round up, 103 to hundreds. So round up means always the or to tens, let us say. 100 will be too big. To tens. So 103 means round up always higher. So 103, the next multiple of 10 is 110. 110. Always higher. 103 to tens.
Uh,
That means equal
10.
to more than 10 tens. 100 means 10 tens and something. So 11 tens or 110. So there is a rounding up. Always higher value. Round down. Round down. If it is same thing, 103 to tens. This will be the lower value. 103, the next lower value, smaller value will be 100. This is round up, higher value, higher multiple of 10, this lower multiple of 10. And a round off means whichever is the nearest one. 103, 110, the difference is 7. 103, 110, I'm taking 7 difference. And here only 3 difference. 103, 100, only 3 difference. So the nearest one you will take 100. Whichever is nearer. Like here you have got 100. Then you have got 103. And then 104, 105. And after a long time you have got 110. Right? There are only two numbers. After 100, 101, 102. And here 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108. So this is, the gap is bigger. You will take the smaller gap. Whichever is nearer. 103 is nearer to 100. 103, the distance from 100 is nearer. Only two numbers. The difference is only 3. Here 103, the difference is only 3. And here the difference is 7. 100 and 103 and 110, difference 7. So you will take the smaller difference, that is round off. Round up, always bigger value. Round down, always smaller value. Round off means whichever is closer, whichever is nearer. Less gap, smaller difference. Got it?
Got it.
Round up means always take the higher value. Even if it is 101, you will take 110. Even if it is 101, you will take 110. But in round down, you will always take the smaller value. 199, that also you will take 190 if it is tens. But here, round off, whichever is closer, whichever is nearer. Round up, round down, and round off. So, supposing 3, 5, 4, 8, 6. This approximate or round off or whatever it is, round off to nearest, say, thousands. Nearest thousands. Right? Nearest. So the easy way of doing, in the book they give a complicated method, but I will give you the easy method. 3, 5, 4, 8, 9.
8.
Now, which is the thousands place? Which is the thousands place?
1000.
Count units, tens, hundreds. Let me give more digit. That will be easier. 2, 4, 2, 7. More digits I'm giving you. 2, 7. Now, which is the thousands place? Count units, tens, hundreds. Which is the thousands place?
5.
5 is in the thousands place, right? 5 is in the thousands place. So that means we want this 1000 and we don't want all this. This I don't want. This I don't want. So mentally we cancel. Don't actually cut in your exam, don't cut it. But in mind you think that it is not there. Now, but or okay, you will do correct. You can do. Now add 5 to the first part which you have cut. No, right? You are
Yes.
the first part which you have cut, put 5. Where I'm putting 5? Where I'm putting? I'm putting the first digit which I have cut. Means the first unnecessary part, the part which I don't need. The first one which I have cut. Because this is thousands. This I need. The other things I don't need. Useless. So in the useless part, the first one you put 5. So when you add, what you'll get? You will get 2,
Mhm.
7, 3, 5, and then you will get 9, 0, 0. Right?
Yes.
Now this is the part which I need. The part which you need. And this is the part which I don't need. This is the part which I don't need. So, how much you are getting? So, the part which I don't need, you put
2.
2, yeah, 2, 7, 5, 2735, sorry, 2735, and the remaining which I don't need, put 0, 0, 0. Don't put anything because I don't need this one. What you don't need, put 0, 0, 0. Because I don't need this. So put 0, 0, 0. What I don't need, put 0, 0, 0. Okay, I'll show you one more because this is a bit complicated. So one more example. Supposing it is 5, 8, 6, 2, 1, 4, 3, 0, 7. And this is to nearest lakh. Round off to nearest lakh. So write the number. Now which one is a lakh? 5. First write the number. 2, 1, 4, 3, 0, 7. Which digit is in the lakh position? Units, tens, hundred,
2.
thousand, 10,000. Yeah, 2. So this is the lakh position. That means, okay, we will not cut this time, just we will separate. This is the lakh position. This I need and this I don't need. The necessary part and unnecessary part, that will be easier. Instead of cutting, you separate. This part I need, this part I don't need because the lakhs. Now you add, put always 5. This will be always 5. This will be always 5. So now how much, if you add, how much you'll get? 5, 8,
8.
6, 2, then 5 and 1, 6. This 1 and 5 will be 6, 4, 3, 0, 7. And this is the part I need, this is the part I don't need. Okay, there's a addition. Up to this is okay. So up to this is okay.
Okay.
What I've done? 5. Where did you add? To the first digit of the what you don't need. The useless part you added. This is the useful part I need. This I don't need. What you don't need, the first digit. The first digit of what you don't need. Now you write the same thing 5862, but for the useless thing you write 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
four,
So
five.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this useless part, make it all 0. Because this I don't need. This will be
Okay.
replaced by 0. All will be replaced by 0. Okay.
Okay.
But sometimes what will happen, there will be a carry. Then you will get the, supposing 2, 5, 4, 7, 8, 6, 2, 0, 1, 4. Now, supposing units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, again lakhs, supposing. Again say lakhs.
Lakh.
So, copy the number. Which digit will come in lakh position?
8.
Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh.
8.
8 position
Uh-huh.
you are getting the lakh.
Hmm.
So, this part is what I need and this part I don't need. Separate.
Hmm.
Now, where I will write 5? Under which digit? 5?
6.
Under, yeah, the first part which I don't need, the first digit. The first
Hmm.
digit of what you don't need. And, but this time what happens, when you add 6 plus 1, there will be a carry. 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carried. Right? When you are
Uh,
adding, you will get 6 plus 5, 11, 1,
11.
1
1.
carried. So you'll
9.
get 2, 5, 4, 7, 9 you'll get.
9.
Because 1 is carried. 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carried. Then 6 plus 5, 11. Then others you will get. Okay. This is
Okay.
carried. 6 plus 5, 11. Put 1 and carried 1. So now when you put this one equal to 0, when you put 2, 5, 4, 7, 9, and
9.
others will be 0. How many zeros? 5 digits, no?
5. 5.
1, 2, 3, 4,
4.
5. So this one will be the unnecessary part. Don't cut in the exam. Here I am showing you. You just think that it is 0. Don't actually cut it in the exam. In the exam, don't cut it like this. Don't strike out. But think that it is not there. All these are zeros. So now we are getting this one. This is a rounded off to nearest, not rounded up, not rounded down, but to rounded off. Right?
Okay.
So the 25417 change hundred thousands and two numbers we are doing 25471. So both of them we will do to units,
Mm.
tens, hundreds, nearest 100,
Huh.
nearest
100.
nearest hundreds. Oh, sorry, 110, nearest hundreds, yeah, nearest, sorry, nearest. So again same, which is 100 position, first number 2
4.
4, yeah, 2
4.
5 4
Uh,
1 7. So the
uh,
nearest is this one. This one will be red in color, units, tens, hundreds, and this will be the gap because I don't need this one. And now I'm adding 5 to the, where I'll put 5,
1.
1, the first part of what you don't need. So
6.
2 5
5.
4,
4.
then
6.
6
7.
7, yeah, 6 7. But when you strike out, you will get 2 5 4. The part I don't need, 0 0. So
0.
this part I don't need. The exam actually you won't be striking out this one. Don't cut this one. But now the same thing here. Let us see. Here also 2
4.
5 4 7 1. Here also 4 is a hundreds place.
4. 4.
4 is a hundreds place. So this part I need and this part I don't need. Now,
Mm.
where I will put 5?
7.
Under 7. Under
Mm.
7 you put 5 and Now you add. So now there will be a carry. See, 7 plus 5, 12, 1, there will be a carry. So you will get,
2, 5.
yeah, wait. Uh, 2, 5, 5. Why I am writing 5, 5? There will be a carry. 2, 5, 5, then 7 plus 5, 12. 7 plus
2,
5, 12, 2, 1. This is a
1.
carry, 7. Now again when you write, you will get 2, 5, 5, then you will get 0, 0. Because this one I don't need. There is the unnecessary part. So strike out. There is a. So you got here, you got 250, 400, you got 250, 500. Because this was 17. 17 is less than 50. Yes, 71 is less than, more than 50. 17 means less than 50. 71 means more than 50, more than half. So that also you can use this. See if it is less or more. So there is the rounding or estimation. When we do the rounding or estimation, so it can be up to nearest thousands, nearest 10,000s, nearest lakhs. So 4, 5, 7, 8, 4, 9, 7, 6, 8, 2. Supposing we are doing it there for thousands. Thousands. So which is the thousands digit?
7.
Units, tens, 100, 1000. There is a
7.
tens digit. So when I copy this one, so this is what I need and this is what I don't need. So again put 5. 5 where you will put? Under?
6
Under 6.
under.
Under 6 you
Under.
put 5. And now there will be a carry. 6 plus 5, 11. Carried 1. Right? So you will get 4, 5, 7,
7, 8,
8, 4,
9,
9, 8. 8 because
8.
of carried. Then this one will be 6 and 5, 11. Then 8, then 2.
2.
So you will copy the first part, 4, 5, 7, 8, 4, 9, 8. And for the remaining, you put 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. Because
0.
this part is, you don't need. Practically, you have cut it. For all the part you have cut, you put 0. But if the same number, supposing the same number is given as, supposing it is given as 7, 2, 8. Supposing 286. Well, there is the number, right? Again, this part is 1000. So now we will put 5 under. Where you will put?
2.
Under
2.
2. Put 5 under 2. Now there is no carry. 2 and 5, 7. There will be no carrying. So you will get 4, 5, 7, 8,
8.
4,
9.
9, 7. No carrying. And of course that 286, this one you will get 7, but actually whatever it comes, ultimately you have to put 0, 0. You will get 7, 8, 6, but ultimately you will make it 0, 0, 0. You are not going to write the numbers. Only till this one you are going to write. 4, 5, 7, 8, 4, 9, 7. Then you are going to get 0, 0, 0. But this part anyway you are going to cut. So again you can see why you got this one. Why the difference you are getting? Because here see 182 is less than 500, half of 1000. 1000 means take half of 1000, 500. 182 is less than 500 and 786 is more than 500. This 182, this 182, this is less than 500, less than half of what you're asked. 1000 is we have to do it the thousands place, less than 500. This part will be more than 500, greater than 500. So when it is more than 500, you increase by 1. So 7 becomes 8 when it is more than 500, and 7 remains 7 if it is less than 500. The original 7,000 actually. 7,000 becomes 8,000 when the remaining part is more than 500. And 7,000 will remain 7,000, no change, if it is less than 500. 7, 5, then the part 842, check with, so the part which I don't need will be this one. This is the part I don't need. So check with 500, 800, it is more than 500. So change the 75 to 76, 76,000. Why 3 zeros? Because here there are 3 digits. What you don't need, 3 digits, put 3 zeros. And if it is 75284, then this 284, 200, 284, 284 less than 500, 200. 284 means 200 less than 500. So no change. Keep it 75. Don't make it 76. Make it 75. And then of course the remaining 3 zeros. 3 digits for 3, this 3 digits. 3 zeros. 3 zeros for 3 digits. 284 we are not taking. So for 3 digits, 3 zeros. So if it is less than 500, no change. 75 will remain 75, and more than 500, 75 will become 76. More than or less than. Because when we are carrying, that is how it happens. Here, if you are putting that 5, when you add 5, you will be carrying 8 plus 5, 13. 8 plus 5, 13. So it will become 76. Because there will be carrying. 8 plus 5, 13. They'll be carrying. That's why we are making it 76. And here if you put add 5, here if you add 5, no carrying. There's no carrying. 7, 5. It will remain 5 only. Then you will get 7. 784. So there will be no carrying. 784. So no carrying. So it will be remain 75. This 7. So no carrying. Then anyway, this you are going to cut. You are putting 0. So that's why it doesn't change, because it is less than 500, no carrying. When it is more than 500, then carrying will make it change. It is a carrying which changes. 8 plus 5, 13, carried 1. That is why we are getting 76. Here 2 plus 5, 7, no carrying. Because there is no carrying, you don't get the change. So it remains 75,000. So it remains 75,000, no change. Okay.
Okay.
It is either you can do by carrying, or you can see it is less than 500 or more than 500 for 1000. If it is 100, then less than 50, more than 50. If it is 10, then less than 5 or more than 5. If it is 1 lakh, then less than 50,000, more than 50,000. Half of what is given. Or you add it and see carrying. That also you can do. If there is carrying, it will automatically change. But then this part should be replaced with 0. This part you will replace with 0 and replace it by all the zeros. 3 zeros for 3 digits, then 76,000 you will get. And here these 3, no carrying, so no change. This so 3 digit replaced by 0. 75 did not change because there was no carrying, because it was less than 500. When it is more than 500, there is carrying, so 75 becomes 76. Okay.
Okay.
This is the estimation. So estimation you can have to nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousand, nearest lakh, nearest crore. All these things can be there. So nearest 10, nearest tens. We are having 5241. So 10 means you need
4.
4. Yeah. So we need
Hmm.
4. We don't need 1. So
Hmm.
10 means half is 5. Half is 5. So 1 is less than 5.
Hmm.
So this will not change. So it will remain 524 and the rejected
Hmm.
1 will be replaced by 0.
0.
But if it is 5247, then the last digit is 7. Not last digit because you need only the tens. So up to tens you need. Up to 4 I need. What I don't need is this one. Now it is more than 5. So you will change it to 524 will become 5250. 525. And then the rejected one, of course, 0. Rejected one is always 0. This is the rejected one, make it 0. This is the rejected one, make it 0. That's okay. But 524 525. 524 will change to 525. Right?
Okay.
Similarly, nearest 100. Nearest hundreds. You can also do by adding. If you do here plus 5, 1 plus 5, 6, no carrying. If you do here plus 5, 7 plus 5, 12, there will be carrying. That carry will make it 5 to 5. Similarly here, so it will be 5, 2. 2 is the hundreds place. 2 is the hundreds place, then 41. Now it is hundreds, so 50. Less than 50, so it will no change. 52 and that 41 rejected, 2 digits, 2 zeros. And if it is 5 2, say 7 1 or 7 2, then it is more than 50. So you will change it to 53 and then 0 0. That is okay. The rejected one 0 0. This rejected part is always 0 0. But if the rejected part is less than 50 or more than 50, because it is hundreds. If it is tens, then compare with 5. If it is hundreds, then compare with 50. If it is
50.
thousand, then compare with
500.
500. Nearest thousands. So 5, 4, 7, 1, 2, 6. So 1000, which is 1000? Which digit is in thousands place?
7.
7. So this part I don't need. Now 1000. So less than 500 or more than 500. This is less than 500. So no
Then
change. 547 will remain 547 and this one of course will become 0. 3 digits, 3 zeros. What that rejected part is always 0. Whether you change it or not, rejected part is 0. And supposing it is 547 581. Now it is more than 500, greater than 500. So change 547 to 548. 548 and then 0 0.
0.
The remaining part is always 0. What you don't need, that is always 0. That part no change. But 7 becomes 8. Got it?
Got it.
Either or you can do by adding. If I add 5, then also you will see no carrying. 1 plus 5, 6, no carrying. But here, if you add 5, then 5 plus 5, 10, there will be carrying. 5 plus 5, 10. Carried one, this carried one will make it 8. 5, 4, 8. Because of that carried. Either you can add it 5 and then see whether it is changing or not, or directly less than 500 or more than 500. More than 500 carrying will be there. 5 plus 5, 10. Carried 1, 1 plus 7, 8. Carrying, that is what it makes it 8. That's why we are getting 8. Because of carrying. And carrying will be there if it is more than 500, no carrying for less than 500 in case of thousands. In case of hundreds, carrying will be there if it is more than 50, no carrying less than 50. And in case of tens, it is no carrying less than 5, but they will be carrying more than 5. Half of what is asked. Okay?
Okay.
So this is called approximation, also estimation. In different books they use different language, or round off.
Round off.
Not round up. Round up means always higher. Round down means always lower. Round off, not round up or
Yeah.
round down. Round up means always higher. Whether carrying or no carrying, always take the higher one. And rounding down means always the lower one, that is smaller one, but round off or approximation, estimation, round off. So all these three words, the thing is same. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So next is Thursday.